Hey guys, what's up? Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm vlogging my full trip to Amritsar and Khanwa. I told you last vlog that I'm gonna give you a haul. So I'm gonna start with that. So let's start with the haul. गाइस so मैंने सबसे पहले तो ये टोपी ली है मैंने जो आज भी पहनी थी. इट्स लाइक अ हेड कवरिंग दैट यू कैन वेयर टू द गोल्डन टेम्पल or to the temple. And I bought two white also, and this is so nice because you can wear this to any temple also because it has nothing written, so you can cover your head when you are in a temple also. So I bought two plain white and one white and black and blue. It's just to match my outfits honestly. Then I bought this fridge magnet which was very pretty. Another fridge magnet for my friend, she wanted a fridge magnet. I bought this chain. My sister bought this chain for like 30 rupees. This was 30 rupees guys. 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 30 rupees all. Then I bought these shawls. So this is one, this is the second one. Amritsar shawls are like really good, and I really wanted a shawl. This one is the third one that I got. This is a muffler. This is not a shawl. This is a muffler for my dad. This one is for my mom because she loves white. This one is for my dadi because she loves red. This one is my sister's and mine, so we are gonna share. So this one is the fifth one, and this one is mine because I love pink, so obviously the pink one has to be mine. Got like these four keychains. This is one for my friend. I thought I'll just gift her something, so this one is for her. Queen. Yeah, because she's a freaking queen. Let's go. This one is mine. I bought this only for the reason that it was already there, like it was made. Okay, I didn't have to get it custom made. It was already there, and I was like, you know what, that's a sign for me to get it. This one is for Ronald because we are manifesting a storeroom for it. So this is like a manifestation. Okay, so this is for my small business, and then this is for my sisters. She bought this heart design. I don't know what that means. Okay, then we bought this. We bought two jutis because we really they're not jutis. We wanted to buy jutis, but instead we bought these desi slippers that you can wear on like traditional. So this one is first that you can wear on oxidized. The main motive for us was comfort, hence we bought what was comfortable to us. So this was the first one. This is like oxidized chappal, and the second one was these white slippers or whatever they are called, but really gorgeous. They look really good, and the reason I bought two because we wanted only one, and we wanted a jutti honestly because the shopkeeper was so good. He was so sweet. Like my bag had broken. Okay, like I was carrying this big bag of all these items, and it had broken, and he gave me a bag of honest. But he was so sweet. That guy was so sweet. You know, there was a Punjabi girl who was like, सब मीठे मीठे में आप हमारे से सब मीठे मीठे में आप हमसे सब ले दिलवा दे रहे हमें. But he was actually really sweet. Like that made my day. How sweet he was. Then we bought these kadas. This is for my sister, and this she had to buy for somebody. I think this pair she was looking for. So these two kadas. Then we bought this earring. I also bought one really gorgeous earring, but I can't find it now. So my sister bought these earrings, and I bought these earrings, which were like, I wanted a better one. Okay, that had a better design in this, like similar but a better one. But that was 200, and I was like, you know what, I'm not spending that much on earring. This one I got just for 100 rupees. It's so gorgeous, and it's a heart shape, and I really loved it. And it comes with a mangtika also. I don't know where I'll wear it, or if I have an outfit or for this also or not, but okay. I really liked it, so I bought it. It's 100 rupees, so worth it, I guess. This was all 50 rupees, by the way. This was 50. And these we bought for like, and we asked him for discount because we bought two, and he's like, in my sisters, I was like, don't discount, okay? He's such a sweet guy. Let's just give 600 because 300 each. which was a reasonable price, okay?
Very reasonable.
Very reasonable price because they are very comfortable, okay? So he's like, so my sister was like 580. Give in 580. I'm not asking for much. And he's like, you know what? Give 550. That was how so sweet. And shawls we bought for 200 to 250. It was 200 to 50, and in that one auntie really started shouting at me because I bargained a little because I bought 4 shawls from her. So I was like, you know what, you can give us 50 off. And then she started like, she gave us 50 off, but then she was very rude about it, and I did not like that. But it's okay, whatever. That's pretty much it, huh?
Yeah.
That's pretty much it. We bought few lights also, but yeah, I'm not showing you that because that had a scene.
वो एक खराब थी.
उसमें से एक खराब थी guys, so that is sad. This is a light, 50 rupees I got, and this light my sister really wanted. This was 100?
100.
Okay, this was 100, but it was very pretty, and so we bought this. And that's pretty much the haul. Let's continue with the vlog. I'm in Amritsar tomorrow, full day, so yay! So I'll meet you in the morning, okay? So hey you guys, it's morning. It's 10 a.m. 10:30, almost 10:30 a.m. and I've gotten ready, just freshened up and gotten ready to just eat breakfast. I'm not ready for the day. We're just gonna go have breakfast because yesterday we did the mistake of not eating, and then we were like very hungry, and then our brains shut off, and then we don't function well. So let me give you an outfit check because this is really pretty, but it's more of like most warm clothes I could find, and I just wore them together, but they go very well. So we're going to have kulcha. We don't know what place, but we really want to have a good kulcha. So we're gonna ask and we're gonna go to eat kulcha. As this is the outfit. Please ignore the mess behind, guys. Pink sweatshirt. These are my pants, which go perfectly with the shawl, okay? And I'm just very cold. That's why I've taken the shawl inside, and then I've taken the coat. And yeah, it's a cool fit, I feel, because this matches really well. I mean, it just matches really well. Also guys, the one thing that I forgot to bring is a sweater. Like I forgot to bring a second sweater. Like I had taken out the sweater, but I forgot to take it. And that's the worst thing you can forget in Amritsar, because now I don't have a sweater. Oh my god, like I have a... This is very thin, the one I'm wearing, okay? And I've worn the first sweater for like 2 days already, so not looking forward to it. And yeah, I forgot to bring a sweater, so yeah, sad me. Guys, I have a matching beanie as well. This is what happens when you have a single favorite color. You have everything in that color and you are always matching. Let's go. Guys, and कल रात को ना हमने ये मिठाई लाई थी, मलाई बर्फी, और वो तो लोकल स्टोर से हमने ऐसी मिठाई लाई थी यार. वाह 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 वाह, इट वॉज सो गुड. कल रात को हम बैठ के एक चाप खा रहे थे, कौन सी, मसाला चाप, विच वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड एंड वेरी फुलफिलिंग. दैट वॉज 130, एंड देन वी बॉट दिस मलाई बर्फी एंड मिल्क केक फॉर 30 and 60 rupees, एंड वो खा रहे थे. Nidhi's got some muscle cramp or something, so she's going to the medical to bring move, but the back is paining a lot. It's cold. Yesterday night it got 7 degrees and now it's 13 and just very cold. We have come here, but there's like a lot of waiting. You have to write your name and they'll call out your name. And yeah, we are waiting now because there's a lot of waiting.
देवी है, नैना मंदिर है, वैष्णो मंदिर है।
मस्त आ रहा है. बहुत अच्छा है. There is so much happening here, guys. We decided to come to the Partition Museum, and there's so many things happening here. Okay, so many. तो हमें सारदा पिन जाना है. मेरी बहन को फिक्स जाना है. And there are two options here. One is normal 10 rupees one, and the other one is with the audio guide, which is audio guide, which is. My skin is breaking out very bad, guys. I'm sad about that. My skin is breaking out very, very bad. I don't like that. So there is like an audio guide that we really want to experience. So sad. We could not go here because they only take cash. We only have 300. That is enough for the ticket, but they need an ID. And we didn't bring ID because it's in the hotel, right? We need an ID here, right? So we didn't carry it here. It's in the hotel because we were just going to eat breakfast, right? So we didn't bring ID. We don't have any ID, okay, right now on us. And if you don't have ID, you have to give like 1,000 rupees in cash. And we only have 300 in cash. So that is very sad. They were like, you can give 500 also in cash if you can. And I was like, I don't have. I only have online payment because I give everybody cash. Okay. Walking backwards because the light was opposite. And I'm so sad because I really wanted to visit. And the funny part about it is that we've done a project on this museum. And we didn't know this. So great work we are doing with our project, okay. And I'm so sad because I really wanted to visit. So we're gonna go back, get ready, and then if we have time, then we'll catch this museum because right now we have no other option. So we are sad. We could not go inside because like there's like audio system, like they give you like a speaker and earphones that you can use to, I think, for a guide, but you have to give your ID even for a normal ticket, which is just 10 rupees, but you have to give that. Feeling icky.
Not nice.
She didn't even want to visit this, okay, but
मेरे को तो सिर्फ लाइट के लिए आ रहा था तो हो गया है. But अभी मेरे को जाना है वो ऑडियो गाइड सुन के.
she's only gotten excited because of the audio guides because she's not a museum person and I love museums, but I'm sad now. We're gonna go get. If we can make it in time, we'll still make it here again. But let's go back now. So I've gotten ready and this is the outfit. I mean, this shawl is not there, but I was stupid enough to think that I will be able to wear this sleeveless top in Amritsar. And 7 degrees right now, so yeah. So I'm gonna take this shawl, which is going okay. So these earrings look so good. And this is the outfit.
ऑर्डर आया.